Hey everyone, it's Marissa. Welcome back to my channel and to Vlogmas Day 7, right? No, Vlogmas Day 6. So today's video is going to be a 10-minute ab workout that you can do at home or in the gym. And again, you don't need weights for this. I used it for one workout, but you don't have to. You can find anything in your house to use as a weight, a book, whatever the case might be. So yeah, this is just like a really quick, simple 10-minute workout to strengthen your core, get those abs going. I always get a lot of questions on how I have abs or how I stay fit, so I kind of want to incorporate more workout videos in my channel, or on my channel. So that's what we're doing today, so let's just get on with the workout.
Up here, we're free, bound only by frozen memories. Lost in time, racing on these broken dreams tonight.
So that completes this 10-minute ab workout. I hope you guys really enjoyed, and I hope you guys can do these workouts at home or in the gym, and let me know down below. And if you have any other workout suggestions for me, definitely let me know, because I'm always down to try something new. And yeah, give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe, comment down below, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!